Yes. Hello guys. Today welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to discuss about the actually we did already our VM installations, right? So we are ready for the installations. So now we are going to install the databases. Okay. So inside the VM we are going to install the databases, 12C databases. Okay, for these things. So the first things we validate before login that our VM. Sorry, we not created Oracle user, right? So we can log in as a root. Okay. So we can log in as a password. So I'm trying to complete this video quickly. Okay. So you have to validate from your system. So this is we are putting before the file system. Okay. All details. So actually here there is important file is missing, right? So actually there is a packages. So in VM there is a default packages they give, right? So actually we need to add, see here, going to VM and removable disk and CD, then connect. Okay. So once it's connected, you are getting one ISO files, right? See this is the our packages because all the required packages inside this folder. Okay. So we can validate once. So we got it, right? Slash run media. Okay. So we got it this point. So this is the we are going to do. Now we are going to open the our Mobixtram. Okay. So I already prepared the script. So there is we are going to do only two steps. Okay. First things we are going to run the script. Okay. So I will explain that inside the script what I mentioned. Okay. So everything. So we are going to do only two things. So we run the script and we are unzip the database folder and we can start the installations with GUI mode. Okay. So I'm going to cover with short period. Okay. So let me clear the screen. I will explaining you. So what I'm written inside the folder. Sorry, inside the file. Okay. So see here, these all the pre-checks. Okay. So we are not going to do any manually. Okay. So if we run these things, it will be captured automatically. Okay, guys. So first things, this is our headline. It will throw out our status. So because this kind of things we are mentioning, so what's going on inside. So we should know right in our log. So that's why we are mentioning all the things here. Okay. First and seconds, we are providing the log files. So in log files, it will be providing the all the details. I mean to say all the any error or a successful. So what's going on currently. Those kind of things we can monitor from this log. Okay. And second things, and next step it will going to start our pre-installations. Okay, so this is the first command. So this command is simple, we consider like already is the boot, right? So we are back to the defaults. These are optional, so but we can make it is better. Okay, and second and next step, it will telling that there is a two important two important packages we are going to install. So before starting the all the installations, so these two is very important because one is FDP and one is a create repo. Okay, so because we are doing the offline installation, right? So that's why we need the create repo packages, very important. Okay, without create repo we cannot do anything. Okay, so and then this is the RPM we are going to install. I told you, right? So this is the slash run media this folder. So we are mentioning the important packages. So this one and this one, it will going to install. So you know, right? In Windows we are just doing that in next, right? We are doing like this. So but in Linux, so in locally, if there is a package is available, we can use RPM hyphen IVH. Okay, so it will going to capture the RPM and it will be installed it. Okay, and next step, it will going to create our Oracle group and users. So it will all the groups like O install DBA, Opera and DBA, backup DBA, DG DBA, KM DBA, SM DBA. These are all our group, and it will going to create the one users like O install. It's a group is O install G. This all the user DBA, Opera, DG DBA, KM DBA, Oracle. Okay, so we set the passwords of the Oracle. This is the Oracle passwords. Okay, after that, next step, we are going to update our this slash etc fs tab. So this ff tab we are going to mention the size is 4000. Okay, is it based on that your environment? Okay, so this is purely I made for the test environment. Okay, so don't try these things in production environment. Okay, based on your VM, so I am preparing for that. Okay, guys. And then this is a kernel parameter. These are all the important kernel parameters we are going to do set in the systemctl config file. Okay, so these are all the important parameters. So these parameter you just before based on your laptop configurations you can put it there. Okay, so whatever we are while installing we are providing, right, the standard partitions. So the based on that we are providing here. Okay, so after that it will going to hit the command systd-p, means it will be immediately it will reflected whatever we are mentioning these files. Okay, so after that it will going to check our limit config files. So after that this all the files we are going to insert it. Okay, so like oracle hard and oracle soft and then nproc, the stacks. So these kind of parameters, oracle parameters, so we are setting in the limits.config files. Okay, and this is the important steps. So it will going to create the m repository. So what is going to here, so this is our file, right? This is our slash this is our packages folder. So this step is going to copy our all the package folders, copying to the slash var fdb public. Okay, so once this copy is done, so what is going to do, it will creating repo, because we already installed, right? When we create repo package we already install. So that's why we are going to use the create repo command -v. This is our file locations. Okay, so before we are transferring all the package to this slash var fdb public and packages. So once it's done, after next step it going to remove our public profile. Okay, so we have already set the public profile, it will remove we will going to remove the file. Okay, and then this all the whatever the private this is our server repo. So we are going to do mention this file folder. So where is your package folder? This is very important. You have to mention the name is equal to oracle 12c, and this is the very important base url file is equal to, we have to mention that this location, because all the our packages is going to store and locate here, right, the packages. And then it will reload our m repository. It just m clean all, means it will clean, and it will be repository, it will be repository all the our repositories. So after that installing record packages, so these all the record packages, so whatever I mentioned here it will going to install it. Okay, so after that the next step it will going to create the folder, because right, so in our oracle installations we need these folders, right, slash u01 app oracle. So those kind of things we needed, right? And then change owner oracle and OI installed in this folder, and we will provide the permissions of that folder as well. Okay, so we bounce the firewall. Okay, so we disable the, sorry, not bounce, we disable the firewall. Okay, stop and disable it. Okay, this is our patch profile. So whatever we insert our patch profile is very easy to log in our databases, right? So that's why we mentioned that. So actually this actually I before I just practicing in my machine, so I'm getting this error, so that's why I'm telling you. So we should update our host name in our /etc folder. Okay, otherwise we are getting error while installations. Okay, so I hope we are not getting this error, because we are going to update these steps, right? So we are not getting output, sorry, error. So that's why after that only I adding this script. Okay, and then this is will be we are going to, actually this also I'm getting error. So when I'm checking, there is the oracle profile is a 4000 is the u limit. Okay, so due to the u limit, so I'm getting error. So it's saying oracle is recommended minimum 6000, so I can change to the 6000. Okay, 6500, sorry, 65000. Okay, and then it will going to the, it will run this script as well. Okay, with execution we provide the execution permissions. So after it's all done, so it will throw the error 12c pre-installation has been done. Okay, so let's see what is going to do. Okay, so I told you whenever we are running any script we have to read the packages. Okay, before actually we have to confirm here as well, tf-h. So this folder, right? This is our copy. You can copy pi 12c. I believe, yeah, this is Oracle. I think so. So you can see here rpm-ivh /u01 /media /oracle, right? But our df-h command, it should be showing root, right? So press I. We have to remove. Okay, we have to remove the oracle. We have to put root here also. Okay, otherwise we are getting error. Okay, so this is very important. And then we have to check any other location it will be taking or not. See, this is here is going is good, right? Here is going good. And then repo, make directory, disable, patch profile, etc. Okay. So now we are good. Okay. So before running this script, so what I am trying to say, we have to tail our log. This is our log, right? So here, open the another slide. You can tail -f. So we can provide this log as well. So that right, because right now there is no any execution, right? So we have to clear the screen first. Just ll bash 12c installations, right? So just run it. Okay. So you can read our log from here. Okay, so whatever it's going in there, you can set it from here. Okay, you can see here as well, and you can see the log as well. Okay, so you can check inch by inch, so what it's going to do. So whatever we are going to do the manual work, so it will going to do it own self. Okay, so what step it's currently it's going to do, let me show you here. What step is going to do, where is the, this is done, this done. Yeah, local m repo setup, right? So what is the meaning on that? Setting up local m repository, setting up local m repository, this is echo, right? So setting local m repository means it will be copying the all the packages folder. Okay, from this is the source. Okay, this is the source, so this all the package folder is transferred to our /fdb public. Okay, so after that it will going to create the repo. Let's see, you can see here, you can easily understand what I'm trying to say. Okay, this is our log, this is our current operations. Okay, so I believe it takes some time, so no problem, we can wait so that we can understand easily. Okay, so now it's going to clean the all, clean m all, and it will be reload our m repo. Okay, this is our log. This right side is left side is our bash. Okay, bash is running. You can use sh as well. Bash is better to see what is going current operations. Okay, so by the way, we are installing, sorry, we are mentioning the log as well. Okay, for our safety purpose, so it's good for that. Now which steps is going, now the copy is done. I believe this step is now it is going to create the repo. Okay, it will going to create the repo, I think, believe. Yeah, yes, it's going to the repo. Let's see. Now it will install our record packages, everything. Okay, whatever we needed, so it's going to update it. Okay, it is better, right? So we are maintaining one by one, it is very difficult, right? So we can just make the script. So whatever I'm actually I'm going to give this script as well. Okay, so you just make it say whatever you want that name, and you can just run it. Okay, so it will all done. After that I will explaining what is going on. Okay, what we are going to do in next step. This single script we are going to done all our pre-checks. Okay, so meanwhile I will create the same as well in our rack and data card as well. Okay, so it's better as, right, it's better than do that. I hope it is installation has been done. See here, it is completing the Oracle directory, disabling our firewall. This is will be removing, right? So whatever we mentioned, that this is the output of our firewall. And then this is our Oracle environment variable, means it will be set the patch profile, updating /ctc as well, and it will be ulimit, right? So whatever I am saying before, so it will be running the script, so it will be update our ulimit value as well. Okay, so we are success. So hope this should be finished. Yeah, yes, that's it. So now what I am going to do, I am going to that see, now we are getting Oracle folder as well, because we are creating mkdir hyphen that Oracle base Oracle folder as well. So now we can go to the Oracle folder. Okay, pwd. So why I am using these things, so is very easy for us. Mobixtrum. Okay, let's open. Here I am going to upload our database, the two zip file. Okay, the installation is, sorry, the pre-check is done. So I'm going to upload our software into our Linux machine. Okay, you can use Mobixtrum is better, I'm recommended. So it's better, you can if you want, you can use WinECP as well. Okay, Okay, so I hope it will take time, guys. Okay, so I stop the screen and I will come to you. Okay, once it's transferred. Okay, be online. Yeah, guys. I think the transfer has been done. So let me show you. Yeah, yes, it's done. So now we are going to do just unzip the folder. Okay, just using the command un zip unzip space. You can provide one by one. Okay, the first command unzip the folder. I believe it will take some time. And second things, we are going to unzip the second folder as well. Okay, so we are not going to do any RPM installations here. Okay, hereafter only two steps. Once run the shell scripting, and second things, unzip and run the uninstaller. That's it. Okay, I will show you all the things in here. Okay. Okay, and second one, unzip second folder now. Okay, it will unzip the second folder as well. It will take some time to unzip the folders. Yes, so once unzip the folders, we are going to do change the owner, right? Because it is under root -r Oracle install database, or we can provide /home Oracle database. Okay. Okay, now change it. So before that, we are going to log in as a Oracle user. cd/home Oracle database clear clear ll run installer. No, yes, we are getting this. I am expecting this issue. So what we are going to do these things. So we are taking duplicate one thing, login as a fresh Oracle. Okay. So you can do like this. Okay. su-oracle. From exit from the root and from login, it will work. Oracle cd/home Oracle database. What happened again? It goes failed. So what I am going to do, take the one more session. Okay, let's see now. Oracle database /run installer. Okay, this is a profile issue we are getting. Okay, so you just using the mobile strum, it will take automatically. Okay, so since I'm trying in putty also, I'm getting same issue. Okay, after I'm setting x11. So let's see. So that's why I'm recommended you can use this script. Okay, we are getting error. What we are getting error? P or vx could not retrieve the local node name. Okay, exit. So what we can do, I told you, right? We are getting this error because of /ct. Before we just confirm our host name test.local.domain. So what there in /etc/host. This is the problem. See, our host name is test.local domain, right? So I am mentioning in demo.local domain. I may be the previous one script. So we are going to edit. So test.local domain. Sorry, what happened? Read only access. Yes, because we are in the root Oracle user, right? Just go here, login as a root, vi/etc/host. So here you can mention it, press I, test dot local domain. Okay. So now you can validate once. Before that, you can check tested. Okay. cat/etc/host. So what is the correct, right? So whatever you have here, we have to mention this one, right? So the IP is correct. So in /etc file is needed, right? So actually as per our script is updated. So what is updated? So whatever I mentioned here, it's going to update. I will show you here. Where is that script? See this? I'm mentioning that the demo local domain, right? That's why it's going to update the demo local admin. Okay, so we have to make it whatever our server host name. So we have to mention it here. Okay, and IP details as well. Okay. Okay. By the way, I will show you that error as well, so you can get it learn something. So now I am going to just run the run installer. So I believe it's going smooth now. Yes, it will come. Okay, this is the first step. We are give that untick, give next, say yes. It will verifying. So actually, there is three stages. So first is create and configure databases, install database software only, and upgrade existing databases. So we are actually the basically we are choose the second step. So once we install the software, then we can using DBCA. So we can, but the testing purpose, right? So we can go with together, okay? And in software installations and DB as well, okay? It's a desktop classes, yes. So we can mention the database name prod, and then this is our password. Okay, we are not going to do any container databases. Admin, okay, no problem, because I'm giving Oracle. Okay, so it is checking our pre-checks. So if it is any getting any error, it will showing to us. It's hope it's all done. Just click the install. Okay, so installation is going on. So let me open the log as well. Okay, so I believe it will take some time, guys. So okay, I pause the video and come to you. Okay, so once it's going to complete. Okay, be online. Yes, we are getting some alert. So we are going to run this script as a root users. Okay, so we have already in root user. We just run this script because of we are providing the permissions to the folders. Okay, so whatever we have the slash app Oracle home, so we are providing the permissions of the folder. Okay, this script is going to create the /etc over tab as well. See this? Okay, so once it's done, we just click OK. So it will going to create the our I think it now it's going to open the DBCA. Yeah, so see this, we have to read it log. If you read the log, we can understand what's going on inside exactly. Okay, so now see, now our DBCA config also is open. Okay, now it's going to create the databases. Okay, I just open the alert log as well. We understand what is going inside. Okay, so right now it is it's going to start. Yeah, yes, DB is mount. So once it's done, okay, it will take some time. Once it's done, I will come to you. Okay, okay, thank you guys. Yes, guys, we received that message from DBCA. So this is our database name. I mean, global database name. This is our SID. Okay. So this is our EM portal is not required. So once we click OK, so I believe all installation is going done. Okay. Now setup is completed with the overall status is succeeded. Close these things. Okay. Now, now going to the putty. I mean, Mobixtram. We can give clear the screen. PS-EF grip pimon. So our database name is we mentioned prod, right? Dot space Aura env. Okay. The database name is prod SQL plus slashes DBA. Insert data connected. Select name, comma open underscore mode from v dollar database. Okay. So now DB is read write mode. So I believe installation has been done. Okay. So that's it, guys. Okay. So you can follow the same things in your machines. Okay. If you have any doubts, so while installation, so please, actually I mentioned my email, so you can update me. So I will try to resolve that. Okay. Okay. So I will posted all the software link, everything I will in my Google Drive. I will post it in our descriptions as well. Okay. YouTube description as well. So you can check and comment and like my channel. Sorry, like my videos. So that's it, guys. Okay. Okay. Thank you, guys. Bye. Thank you for the time. We'll see you next video. Okay. Bye.